I'm gonna do a quick video on this solar system that I got for my Reolink security camera. Is to charge it. If you want to purchase one of these, you can look in the link below. And I'm gonna go through and show you what comes in this straight out the package. You know, you got this little mounting template for your screws. And you got a little security sticker letting people know that you do have a camera. And this is a simple manual. It's really easy to do to mount this. As you look through here, you got your solar panel, and you got your mounts, and you got screws, you got your cable. And this cable is about 12 feet long. So it's about 12 feet long. So you can put it a ways away from your security system. You see, I'm gonna take the solar panel out. This is what it looks like out the package. It's pretty, it's in there pretty hard, so it'll snap out. Just pull it out. Like I said, you got your cable here, and I'm gonna stretch it out and show you how long it is. It's about 12 feet. I didn't see the length in the description, but it is pretty long. So you don't have to mount it right next to the security camera. So you could put it a little ways away. Then you got your mount here. And like I said, that template there is for your screw holes. And if you're screwing it into wood or a tree or anything, you could just put it up there and just put your screws in it and screw right in it. But this right here is the connection, like an Android connection to me. Yeah, it is. It's kind of similar. So it's similar to this. Gonna plug right into the security camera itself. And I have the Reolink Argus Pro 2. So you just screw this back right here, that little mount. Then you screw the solar panel into it. And once you screw the solar panel, it's gonna stop. And then what you wanna do is just tighten this little screw up right here, and it holds it into place. And that's it. And you can turn this to loosen to make adjustment, turn it counterclockwise. Then you can turn it clockwise to tighten it back up once you got it adjusted to the way you want. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and take it up. As you can see, my security camera right there, that's the Argus Pro 2. I got my drill or my screwdriver, and I already drilled a couple of 3 holes, so the screws will go in easier. And you can see I'm just mounting this bracket up there. And I can put this a further distance away. I don't want to go too far on my roof. I'm kind of heavy. I don't want to fall and hurt myself, but I'm gonna put it right next to the camera. You see the cable is really long. Like I said, it's about 12 feet long. So you just put your system right here, and then you unscrew that right there. I did. You could try to put it up there without taking it off, but I just unscrewed it and put the connection on and put it and mount it back up there. And sometimes it's easier to just take these things down and instead of trying to put it on while it's in place. You can see I just took mine off. It snaps right back on. If you see my previous video. But all that cable, excessive cable, you can just roll it up and put tie wraps on it. And I'm gonna put mine right here and just show you what it looks like. So this is when you're standing from the outside, this is what you will see right here. So it's actually charging the security camera. All right, thank you, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.